1440 is best known for our daily email newsletter, which covers topics across science, business, sports, and politics in a free, concise, and impartial read. It's a source that over 1 million people trust, making it easy to stay up to date across verticals without going to TMZ for culture, ESPN for sports, or Wall Street Journal for business. There are 1,440 minutes in a day, so I hope you'll spend a couple at our team's booth or at join1440.com.
Acoustica Bio is an advanced manufacturing company solving the greatest challenges in life sciences and beyond. Right now, millions of patients must travel to the hospital in order to endure expensive and time-consuming intravenous injections to receive their life-saving medications. Acoustica Bio changes that, making the delivery of those drugs easy as a quick flu shot. We have already initiated collaboration with major pharma companies willing to improve their product in this under $50 billion market, so join us in this journey.
When you take a flight, do you check if the life vest is under your seat or if there is any other emergency equipment on board? Probably not. Airlines have to do it. Every day before every flight, they have to check the presence of all emergency equipment. They have to check that the security seals are not broken. They spend a huge amount of time doing that manually. I am Maria Martinez, CEO of AEROSENS. We automate safety and security inspections for airlines using Bluetooth low energy tags and everyday smartphone or tablet. Come to visit us and see how we do it.
Hi, I'm Ashley Hamilton. I've been a firefighter for 14 years. In theory, everybody wants to help first responders, but Aiki has figured out how to get the economics to align. I created a platform that creates revenue for municipalities. It saves lives and it reduces property loss. We are not a charity. We are the linchpin of the $20 billion rapidly expanding sectors of property and insurance technology. We save lives and reduce property loss by empowering first responders with data.
Activa was founded to find a cure for ARDS, a deadly condition affecting COVID-19 patients. An ARDS drug will reduce the cost of treatment and prevent loss of life. In 10 months, we have developed a computational platform, applied to the validated molecular target, discovered our lead compounds, and selected the most active as a clinical candidate. We are raising seed round to perform IND-enabling studies and to submit the IND.
Hello, my name is Supriya. I'm CEO of Astrileux Corporation. Astrileux is a semiconductor startup working in the area of EUV lithography. We hope to accelerate the manufacture of chips, which are 7 nanometers and smaller, and impact the global supply of electronics for the next 3 generations of technology. By setting the technological pace of advancement, we hope to accelerate the future.
Hi, I'm Chinaza, co-founder and CEO of Billbuds. Billbuds helps renters set up and manage utilities. We fine-tuned the whole utility process so renters can set up their electricity, gas, internet, and cable with just one click. At the end of the month, users pay just one Billbuds bill for all the utilities, which can be split equally amongst roommates. We also report on-time utility payments to credit bureaus so users can build credit with each utility payment. You can check us out on our website at billbuds.com. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Katie Kam, the CEO and co-founder of BioBQ, a cultured meat company, which means we make meat from animal cells grown in a clean facility. We aim to be one of the major global producers of cultured meat with defined structure, so not ground meat. Our first product released in 2022 is of a hybrid brisket that consists of cultured cattle cells and alternative protein. Following that will be our 100% beef brisket product that recreates the juicy taste, texture, and content of brisket. Consumers want cleaner, cruelty-free meat. Thanks for your support of BioBQ.
We built CardMedic to disrupt and radically improve communication between clinicians and patients, empowering and giving a voice to those huge underserved populations with communication challenges in real time on any device. We're raising $2 million for a 20% equity stake to accelerate translations and achieve global social impact. We've raised $500,000 so far and launched CardMedic commercially this year with strong sales and pipeline into UK and US hospitals. Please contact me for an introduction.
We are in the midst of a maternal health crisis. As a physician, I have seen the tragic consequences of inadequate pregnancy care in this country. At Delfina, we have created a new system of pregnancy care that will save lives. With our technology that dynamically assesses pregnancy risk for both mom and baby, we will deliver key insights to help clinicians make better decisions. We have partnered with leading academic institutions to validate that our technology improves health outcomes for every patient. So join us at Delfina, creating intelligent pregnancy care for all.
Hi, my name is Jeffrey Williams. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Exum Instruments. We're a scientific instrumentation company changing the way we measure the world around us. Now more than ever, it's incredibly important to understand every material and every process, whether this is metals for aerospace or heavy metals in baby food. We have built a tool that can be easily adoptable by any industry to measure any problem.
Hi, my name is Yoni Medhin. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Grain for Grain. We utilize patent-pending technology to upcycle byproducts from various industries and turn that into shelf-stable ingredients. Right now, we're focused primarily on brewers' grains from breweries, where we take that brewer's grain and turn that into a carb-free flour that's both high in protein and high in fiber. We already have several commercial partnerships, some that are in the pilot phase as well as our own brand. Thank you again for the opportunity.
Hi, my name is Mason Lusich. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Insu Health Design, and my pronouns are he, him. Insu Health Design is developing smart portable refrigerators to keep the hundreds of different temperature-sensitive medications safe at all times. Our patent-pending technology allows us to precisely control temperatures for extended periods of time, for peace of mind during daily home use, overnight travel, outdoor activities, or during natural disasters and times of limited access to electricity, thanks to its long-lasting battery life and multiple charging options. No matter where or when, our users' vital medicine will be readily available and protected.
Hi, my name is Ali Merchant. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Aiki Connect. We are rapidly moving towards a new business normal, and part of this new normal is a growing remote workforce. If your company is not planning to future-proof your business, you will be left behind. Aiki Connect provides the next generation live 3D interactive remote collaboration to train your workforce in this new normal. Check us out at iq3connect.com.
Hi, my name is Christina Drake, and I'm the founder and CEO of Kismet Technologies. My pronouns are she and her. 1 in 30 patients in the US will get an infection when they go to a hospital. Our groundbreaking NanoRad provides safe, nonstop virus and bacteria protection on surfaces. NanoRad will greatly reduce patient infections and provide a safe and healthy environment for everyone. Join us in our booth to discuss.
Hi, my name is Eric Dresdale, he, him. I am the co-founder and CEO of Known. And we help businesses proactively reduce fraud while increasing omni-channel revenue by providing them with a new level of identity validation, one that ensures they're able to know and protect their customer identity from enrollment through the life of the relationship across any platform, channel, and camera-enabled device, online or in person. We do this through our continuously evolving relational identity network that uses biometrics, artificial intelligence, and unique device communication. Known as the only solution in the market that continuously learns and perfects itself on each individual user with every interaction and transaction they make. We look forward to having you join us on our journey to redefine identity.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily Yale. I'm a mechanical engineer and I would like to introduce you to Land Maverick, the advanced soil sampling robotics system. We take 20 times more data points than current industry methods on golf courses and are able to better understand what the courses need to apply for water, fungicide, nitrogens, and other chemicals. We're able to allow courses to pinpoint their chemical applications for higher quality grass and less environmental impact. Thank you, and we look forward to explaining more about Land Maverick.
Hello and good day. My name is Antoine Johnson, he, him, co-founder and CTO of Lucidex. Our mission is to help prevent diabetes-related blindness through early detection. Our product is a wearable device capable of detecting diabetic retinopathy before current standard methods like fundus photography and OCT. We're hoping you can join us to continue building our device, our network, and discuss how Lucidex can help improve diabetes patient outcomes. We're excited to share with you our vision of the future and hope you consider visiting Lucidex. Thank you.
Hey, this is Makeena. We are the leading discovery and real-time data insights engine for brands in the $252 billion natural products industry. We have a ton of traction. We have a free app that's helping hundreds of thousands of consumers buy better no matter where they shop, leading healthier lives now on a cleaner planet. And then we collect data directly from them and provide it to the brand to help the brand grow. So come visit us at our booth, get a hat, and learn how to dance the Makeena Macarena.
Hi, I'm Dr. Berkeley Luck, co-founder of Milkify. Over 3 million moms in the US pump and store their breast milk for later use. But breast milk requires frozen storage, making it hard to use and even harder to transport. In the freezer, breast milk quickly degrades and expires, and it's vulnerable to power outages. This is why we created Milkify. Our patent-pending, contact-free freeze-drying process enables moms to store their own milk as a freeze-dried powder that's easy to use and transport and lasts for 3 years with no refrigeration needed. Milkify helps breastfeeding moms everywhere go from freezer to freedom.
Myogene Bio is a biotechnology startup developing therapies for muscle diseases. Our first approach is a gene editing therapy for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, which is a fatal muscle wasting disease with no cure. Our approach permanently removes mutations that cause Duchenne to restore the protein otherwise lacking. It has significant advantages over other therapies by targeting a large proportion of patients and retaining more of the protein sequence. We're inspired by patients like my cousin Christopher to develop truly meaningful therapies for muscle diseases.
Hello, my name is Alex Costco, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Natrion. We're a clean energy startup based out of Binghamton, New York, and what we're doing is developing a brand new battery component called Lysic. Lysic can be rapidly and at minimal additional cost integrated on virtually any battery assembly line to produce new high-performance, much safer batteries for electric cars. Specifically, we're eliminating fire risk in batteries while also improving electric car driving range by as much as 50%. So thanks so much for listening and looking forward to speaking to you.
Hi, my name is Jay Shah. My pronouns are he, him, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Narava. SUDEP, or sudden unexpected death, is a terrible risk faced by 3.5 million Americans and over 50 million people globally that all suffer from epilepsy. There's no device on the market that monitors SUDEP risk, and so caregivers face enormous stress and anxiety as they try to monitor their loved ones. To address this, Narava is developing a novel device that provides patients and caretakers with the peace of mind by monitoring and alerting for their seizures and SUDEP risk. We hope that you will join us as we look to give back control to patients with uncontrolled epilepsy.
New is a fashion exchange app. Spend your money anywhere, spend your clothes on New. It's a peer-to-peer app that gamifies the experience of changing your wardrobe using a token system that allows members to trade pieces they no longer want for fashion that's new to you. Our core revenue model is a 99-cent service fee per exchange. With over 20,000 pieces already being exchanged on the platform, we're tracking 20% month-on-month growth. We're raising a 1.5 million seed round with 620k committed. Get ready for something new.
Have you ever thought what it would be like if you couldn't read, drive, or recognize faces of loved ones? This is what life is like for the millions of people with macular degeneration who have no available treatments. Luckily, Oculogenics has developed a novel gene therapy that prevents blindness and can preserve vision and independence for a lifetime. We invite you to our booth to learn more about us and our breakthrough technology.
The most precious resource to organizations and change makers across the country is their time, that of their staff and their volunteers. That's why at Open Field, we use machine learning and natural language processing to automate the boring stuff so that organizations with small budgets but big dreams can focus on being in their communities and building power a conversation at a time so they can fulfill the promise of American democracy and organize anyone, anywhere.
At Astio, we believe we have a moral obligation to help kids with defects of the face and head live their best lives. Within a landscape of what can only be described as medieval technology, we are developing an integrated therapy that reimagines treatment to improve patient outcomes and experience. If you also believe we have a moral imperative to do better by these kids, then come visit us to learn more about Astio and how we are improving the lives of children with craniofacial defects.
Hello, my name is Brent Chase and I'm the CEO of PAL. And PAL is simplifying the way we find qualified caregivers and the coordination of care teams to increase early intervention outcomes for autistic kiddos. We have received hundreds of thousands of dollars of government grants, secured 9 letters of intent with autism therapy clinics worth nearly $300,000. So if you want to help the future of autism care for individuals like my brother Alec, we would love to be your PAL.
We are Persist Energy. We are making electric vehicles ubiquitous in developing nations. We are doing this by building electric two-wheelers which are designed and engineered for the local infrastructure. On the top of that, we are providing a purchase the bike and lease the battery approach. This is reducing the operating expenses for small business owners by more than 60%. Now, how are we going to manage the battery expenses in the long run? Come to our booth and find out. Thank you.
Phimentum is democratizing orthodontics. We're making braces, like the ones I'm wearing, much more accessible to the millions of kids in the US without access. And we're doing this by turning dentists into orthodontists. Our technology gives dentists a new and profitable way to treat their patients while lowering the barriers for people who need braces. Dentists love us, and we've doubled the number of them working with us this summer. Come find us at our booth.
Stax provides automated data storage and reporting solutions to Amazon sellers. 1/3 of U.S. e-commerce purchases last year were made on Amazon, generating enormous amounts of data. However, Amazon does not store this data on behalf of sellers, nor does it make it easy to access. Stax automatically extracts and stores data from the Amazon Marketplace and advertising APIs on behalf of sellers. Raw data is then processed into presentation-ready reports and sent to our clients' inboxes.
Rentable is a fintech platform that makes renting transparent and accessible for residents, while helping property managers increase their leasing velocity and streamline their operations. With our flagship product, we efficiently handle security deposits for landlords while providing residents with flexible payment options for their expensive moving costs. Since launching during MassChallenge, we've grown to over a dozen customers with thousands of units under management. We've started in Boston, but look forward to making the rental process simple and affordable across the United States.
This is an operator-driven, truck-mounted, mobile robotic pavement marking system. We can do this kind of marking without workers in the road. All of those symbols that are not straight lines parallel with the curb are painted by hand, standing in the road, doing any kind of work in the road. It's the 5th most dangerous occupation. We're trying to help improve the safety of the workers and enable a city to do smarter streetscapes.
$83 million Americans struggle with mental health, and my cousin was one of them. Mental health care in this country is broken. Unfortunately, he fell through the cracks. Behavioral health providers are struggling with high program dropout rates, more than 80%, resulting in lower quality of care and higher cost. At SageSurfer, through a HIPAA-compliant SaaS platform, we enable providers to maintain visibility between visits and deliver proactive intervention while keeping the member better engaged in their care. Come and check us out at sagesurfer.com. Thank you for listening.
Hi there, I'm Victor Karkar, co-founder and CEO of Scrible. We're tackling one of the hardest things in education, teaching and learning the research and writing process. We've built a best-in-class product with novel tech under the hood. It's grown a lot during the pandemic thanks to the massive growth in the edtech market. We're backed by the National Science Foundation and notable angel investors. We're partnered and integrated with Google and Microsoft. We've doubled sales each of the last 2 years. And we've made major changes during MassChallenge to accelerate our growth. So please come schedule a meeting with us during the founder meeting block. We'd love to chat with you.
SheFly is on a mission to help everyone answer nature's call. More than half of the women watching this will have had a bathroom accident outside in the past year, but it doesn't have to be that way. Through our discreet, patented zipper technology, women can safely, comfortably, and easily relieve ourselves in the outdoors without exposing skin to the elements or other people, whether at work or at play. We're a direct-to-consumer online product launching in Moose Jaw mountaineering stores nationwide this spring. Help us help women everywhere go on the go.
At Southie Autonomy, we make using robot arms easy for warehouse tasks like packing, kitting, and palletization. Today, manufacturers are experiencing huge labor shortages, and at Southie, we know we can help. We envision a world where workers and robots are working together throughout a warehouse. Our solution is a turnkey robotic arm cell that can be used for different tasks throughout a warehouse. And using our software, anyone can change over the robot within minutes, with no expertise required. Please connect with us to learn more. We look forward to hearing from you soon.
Hi, my name is Jenny Moser, and my pronouns are she, her. I am the founder and CEO of Stage Time, and I'm also an opera singer. Stage Time is a professional community for members of the performing arts industry to network, advance their careers, and to build enduring relationships, and is a vertical sorely underserved by technology. We give artists agency over their own careers and give those seeking talent an organic and effective way to make the rapid-fire nature of hiring in a gig economy far more efficient and affordable.
Hi, I'm Khaled, the founder and CEO of Stemloop, and we're developing next-generation sensing technologies using synthetic biology. We believe that everyone should be able to sense contaminants in their environment so that they can make informed decisions without high cost, without complexity, and without delay. There are 186 million Americans that are drinking water contaminated with lead. There's a good chance that you're one of them, and unfortunately, the technologies that we have today to detect lead in drinking water don't scale. I'd love to tell you more about the affordable, actionable, and accurate solution that we're developing. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Brett Johnson. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Switched On, and my pronouns are he, him. Switched On is a mobile training app designed to help you think quicker, perform better, and live longer. Our app combines cognitive processing with physical exercises and is being used for sports training, fitness, rehabilitation, military training, and more. We've had over 150,000 people adopt this app with $0 on paid marketing. Our mission is to provide the most effective and accessible way to improve the relationship between the brain and body.
Hi, I'm Colette.
And I'm Francesca. And together, we make up the PS Collective, an online marketplace using AI and machine learning to extract body measurements and connect women to sustainable clothing and designers made on demand. We aim to eliminate returns and address an archaic sizing system that hasn't been updated since the 40s.
And we are only at the beginning of our journey, but we have big plans to vertically integrate the entire fashion ecosystem, building towards a smarter, more eco-friendly world.
Biologic medicines revolutionized treatment of chronic disease, from Crohn's disease to cancer, and created a $375 billion market. But biologics are large, complex molecules, which are not naturally absorbed in the intestine. They have to be injected or infused, which is costly, painful, and inconvenient. Transcera is solving this problem. We've developed a molecular vehicle which can transport biologic medicines across the lining of the intestine into the bloodstream. With it, we plan to turn injections into pills for millions of patients living with chronic disease.
Hi, I'm Rick Johnson, the CEO of Voy. At Voy, we are laser focused on reducing the rates of suicide in the United States. We have developed 2 next-generation products. Better identification of those at imminent risk of suicide is accomplished with Voy Detect. To keep people safe, we've developed Voy Reach. Voy Reach continuously monitors an individual for risk based on advanced natural language processing. Please visit us at voy.health or email me at rick@voy.health. I look forward to connecting.
Westface Medical is revolutionizing imaging for vascular access and other minimally invasive procedures. Unlike other imaging aids, single stick integrates directly into the needles and catheters already used. We're putting eyes at the needle tip
so the clinician can use the needle normally, navigating toward a given target using both historical skill and real-time, easy-to-interpret imaging. It's inexpensive, disposable, and represents a transformative change in one of medicine's most common procedures.